Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover your account with PayPal, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin recovering your PayPal account, go to the PayPal website or open the PayPal app on your device. On the login page, click on the Having Trouble Logging In link. Next, you'll be prompted to enter the email address or mobile number associated with your PayPal account. After entering your information, click on the Next button. If you have access to your registered email or phone number, select how you would like to receive the verification code. If you choose email, check your inbox for a message from PayPal. If you opted for a phone number, check your SMS messages for the code. Enter the code you received in the designated field on the website or app. Once you enter the code, click Next to proceed. If the code is correct, you will be taken to the password reset page. Here, you can create a new password for your account. Make sure to choose a strong password that you haven't used before. Once you've entered your new password, click Change Password to save it. After changing your password, you will be able to log into your PayPal account. If you encounter any issues during the process, click the Need More Help link for additional support. You may also visit PayPal's customer service page for further assistance if necessary. Review your account settings to ensure security after regaining access. This will help you prevent similar issues in the future. Finally, remember to log out of your account when using shared devices. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.